Man, nigga, let me fucking tell you, yo. I got this bitch on my fucking back. She won't leave me the fuck alone, yo. I'm talking about, she trying to tell me to pay my child support, bruh. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, nigga, I paid my child support fucking last week, yo. What the fuck? You know what I'm saying? But for real, oh shit, what the fuck? Here she comes. Antonio! Man, what the fuck? I'll see you later, bitch. I'm about to run. Antonio! Wait! Don't put that camera on my face. I don't play. Let me fucking tell you what Antonio did to me. I asked him for my child support. Did he pay my child support? No. He didn't pay no child support. I don't play. Where's my name? Where's my name? Shanika Takika Badika. That's what I thought, bitch. That is my name. Anyways, little Ron don't have no bottle. What's he have to drink out of? That's right. He drink out of the faucet. He said, Mommy, why do I have to drink out of this thing? I said, excuse me, do not talk to me. You might be my kid, but that does not mean you talk to me. Okay? Do not play when you want to act gay. Anyways, can I just say that my weed is getting fucked up? I'm talking about, I tried to get that shit fixed last week, but that white bitch playing game. So if she wants to play, then she can play. Okay? Gay. Man, I'm about to go get Antonio. I don't play. Antonio! Man, what? Man, I told you that bitch was crazy. I tried to tell her. I do not pay child support. I don't fucking play. You wanna go? Let's go!